Fua. So hi, it's San and welcome to another Fua dance tutorial. Today we're going to do Girls Legend You from the Uma Musume series. Yes, and we're going to do Ashibuto Pentas choreo, which is a bit different from like the series choreo, but I think this one looks pretty nice too, and I already learned it anyway, so it's too late. Hi. Yeah, this is an easy dance, very beginner friendly. So if you would like to try out something new, this tutorial is for you. Yes, and as always, if you enjoyed the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out my Patreon where I give all the tutorials 1 week early, as well as share about my dance life. Yes, and this tutorial is brought to you by the Fua Everyday t-shirt. Play the ad. T-shirt. Fua Dance first ever merch drop is officially here. Be powered up for your next dance practice with our limited edition street style tees. Designed by yours truly, these shirts are packed with references to the Fua Dance tutorial channel. The Yellow Sun edition ships worldwide, while the Red Sun edition is exclusive to Asia, excluding Japan. The Red Sun edition will be gone at the end of February, so don't miss out and grab yours today. Check the link in the description or the cards below this tutorial video. Okay, if this is your first time here, you can stand as if you are behind me looking at the mirror with me. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. I'll do a demonstration first. Okay, so to start, the running up to it will be running up. So just run, and then we're going to go on 1, kimi to, okay? So on 1, hands like this, then your legs split open, okay? Then right hand goes out, your head should be down. So when you are splitting open, your head should still be down, hand out, and then head up. Okay, so the 3 moves. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, split, 2, hand, head. Okay, legs first, then 2 you pause, hand is on 3, head goes up on 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Or you could call that 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we're going to go punch and punch, right hand. Okay, fist close, out and out, 45-degree angle. Now if you want to have more pizzazz, shake, shake. Okay, it's kind of like you're running, but your toes don't leave the floor. Just bounce on the balls of your feet, and then the heels just hover, yeah? Height, yeah, like that. 1 and 2 and you go onto the right leg when the right hand goes out. Okay, like that. Okay, tang, more bouncy. Okay, then your hips also, if you can have your hips like this, then tang is cuter. Okay, 1 and 2 and hand out. Okay, right hand, left hand, both hands out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. It goes down, bend, and then 6, it goes up, hands together, yeah? So you go out, down, up. 7, 8, you open your hands. So it's like you have a prayer, and then you open it up like that, yeah? And then you go down slowly. That's your 7, 8. Okay, so let's do that again. This is 5, 6. 7 is your hand, 8 is your head. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 up. It goes 7, 8 goes down. Okay, after this we're going to go ずっとずっとずっとずっと重い Okay, so this is the idle step. You're just going to step right and left. Okay, right open, left tap, left open, right tap, right open, left tap, left open, right tap. Okay, you get the vibe. And then your body, when you're stepping to the right, your body also faces to the right. During the tap, to the front, left, to the front, right, to the front. Okay, so that's the legs. With the body, you want to have this like little bounce, which means that when I'm stepping to the right, before I step to the right, I want to lift up my left knee. It will straighten up. And then this is the downwards motion and the upwards motion. So in the transition from left to right, your body would straighten so that you have this up feeling. And then when you close in your legs, you are slightly bent. I'm exaggerating right now, but generally, when you do it really fast, you have a little snap, snap, okay? You can add the hands to help you out, okay? So for the hands, when you're going up to the right, you're going to make a figure 8, like this, okay? Figure 8. So you're going to the right, it goes to the right, lifts, lift, down. Lift on the left side, down across. Lift on the right side, down across. Lift, down. So your hands and your body are lifting together to make this like snappy idle step kind of movement, yeah? So that's the zuto. So music, you go right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, out. Okay? So you just do it 4 times, then out, right hand, right leg, down, up. Okay? So it's like a yes, we can do it. Okay? Out and down, up. Then we're going to go right to the heart, left to the heart. Okay? So right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg. You want it to look cuter, also you add the head. You see my head is also tilting in that direction. Okay? Ta-ta-ta-tan, ta-ta-tan, ta-tan. Nanika mo shinjite. Okay? So after that, stretch out. Right hand, right leg again, but this time your right hand goes towards the opposite side. Okay? Across to the front, grab, boo. Okay? Across to the front, grab, you bend a bit, and then boo, you straighten your body. Nanika mo shinjite. Okay? And then last part, you're gonna shake right, shake left, shake left. Okay? So shake right, shake right. The important thing is your knees are just bending a little bit, but the outer leg bends more because it rotates your body inwards. Shake, 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 shake. Okay? So I like to have, once again, like the idle step, breathe, snap down. Okay? Snap, 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 snap. Okay, the recovery not so exaggerated, mostly on the snap that comes down. Okay, a bit like clap, clap, yeah, but with your whole body. Okay, and then just make sure your feet are loose, but you don't need to step out of the way. Mostly your feet are just planted, with your knees are the one being the loose ones, knees and shoulders. Okay, so across to the front, shin jite. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 5, 6 is your turn. So turn to your right side on your right leg. 5, 6, 7. 7, you open up. Okay, and then 7, and then 8, you go down. Okay, and that's the choreo. Yeah, very fast, right? But yeah, so just practice these parts and like memorize it into your head. Okay, memorize it. So let's go through once from the top. I'll do 1 round with actions, like describing the actions, and then 1 round describing the counts. Okay, so we start from the running, 6, 7, 8, open up, hand, hit. Then we're gonna go punch, and front, open, down and up, open both hands, then idle step, another set and front, and in, up. Open right to the heart, open left to the heart, across, front, inwards. Okay? I think when you go across, your hand can go down. Across, front, inwards. No, I don't think the hand is down. I think the hand is somewhere else. Oh, the hand is always here. Left hand is always at your heart. Okay? Across to the front, in, up. Then shake right, shake left, turn and up. And finger points down. And then that's the end. Okay, let's do that with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do that slowly at 80% speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Hand up, punch, front, open, down, up, open, 2, up, and punch, up, outward, across to the front, together. Shake right, shake left, turn and up and down. Okay, let's do that full speed. 5, 6, 7, 8, punch, hand out, down, up. Idle step, front, hand up, open out, across to the front. Inward, shake good, turn and up, down. Hey, when you do it at full speed, it's a bit fast, but like it forces you to like pull out that energy inside of you. So I recommend it. Push for the full speed, yeah? And also practice it so that when you do it at full speed, you're not lagging behind. Thank you for joining me today. And as always, if you enjoy the tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also check out my Patreon. I'll see you at the next tutorial. Jane.